Hello friends, running kimono. $10 Walgreens cash when you spend 10 in the store, valid from December the 1st to the 3rd. Let's talk about this booster. Go to your digital coupons folder and see if you might have it. I think it was like Monday, people were saying, oh my God, look what I got, look what I got. Here's the deal. Last week, Thanksgiving, people were getting these. This week, they're getting them again. So I think the opportunity where you're going to see one of these is far greater. It's like a lottery. Your mileage may vary. So don't fret if you don't get it this week. Perhaps next week we'll get one as well. Some rules for you guys. Again, it's valid from the 1st to the 3rd. That is the specific window. Yes, it stacks with a paper booster if you might have it. It's also of a one-time use, so if it's still lingering in your Walgreens account, it's a one and done. Do not use any Walgreens cash or store register rewards with the booster, as it will cancel things out. For the balance, use your debit card, credit card, or bills. Personally didn't get a booster again this week, but I'm hopeful that maybe a week in December some Christmas magic will come from Walgreens. But I did get this weird one, which is $5 of Walgreens cash when you spend 10, which is like 50% of this. So who knows? Maybe you'll get one or the other or both if you're so lucky. So let's just go through these. I did about 7 matchups. This is number 1. Again, you need your BFF loaded, and this is a lotto if you get this or not. And I didn't get one on either of my store cards. So there's a ton of products that are $1.99 this week that include the 75 count of the Walgreens disinfectant wipes. That's a tremendous value. We also have the toilet paper that's everybody's best friend, along with the Arm & Hammer. So it's either the pods, the liquid, or the scent beads. You pick what you want. As these products are $1.99, we're going to be a little bit short to get us to the $10 mark. So we're going to grab a piece of candy at checkout, because for 5 of them, it's like $9 and some change. Like I'll show you here in a second. Grabbing 5 of these products, if you wish to mix and match, yes, you can do it. It's $9.95. So you're 5 cents shy from getting you to that $10 mark. Grab a 33-cent candy at the checkout for a new total of $10.28. Make sure you have your booster loaded. You're going to pay $10.28 out of pocket with your debit card. Get back $10 in Walgreens cash, and I'm going to call this a free haul. Remember not to use any store register rewards or Walgreens cash to pay down the balance as you're using a booster. This next little deal, we're just going to call it awesome. So again, you need your best friend, which is $10 back when you spend 10, the booster loaded. And I apologize if you guys didn't get it. It's just the breaks of this. Now, they have a huge Christmas display, and there's a lot of gift sets that are exactly $10. Do not grab the one that's $9.99. Grab this specific one. Raw sugar at $10. They also have a lot of the chic ones, exactly $10 on the nose. That's the price point that you're looking for because you're using a $10 booster. Mathematics. Lots of these also have coupons inside as well. So grabbing, let's just say one of those raw sugar bath kits for exactly $10 on the nose. Make sure you have your booster loaded. Pay $10 with your debit card. Get back $10 in Walgreens cash and call this a cute little freebie that you could put under the Christmas tree for somebody. Remember not to use any Walgreens cash or store register rewards to pay down the balance. Do not. The next deal that we have is with the Irish Spring. This is on a promotion this week to buy 2, get back a $5 register reward. And they're also $4.99 this week for the Irish Spring. Just to show you guys the tags, I know some of you are like, I need to see the tags. Here is the tag, $4.99, buy 2, get back a $5 register reward. We also have this digital coupon, which is a $2 off. This is what we got. We have 2 of the Irish Springs at like $9.98. So we're going to need a candy at checkout to get us to that $10 magical mark. Grabbing 2 of the body washes, it's $9.98. 1 candy for 33 cents. We have a $2 digital coupon for the Irish Spring. The new total is $8.31. We're going to load that booster. We're going to get back $10 in Walgreens cash plus a $5 register reward, making this free plus a $6.69 moneymaker. Remember not to use any store register rewards or Walgreens cash to pay down the balance. Okay, the next deal that we have, deal number 4, we need our trusty dusty booster loaded, which is 10 back when you spend 10. So make sure you have that one loaded for this deal. We're going to grab a 3-pack of the Yankee candles for $15. So I think this is just a really nice Christmas gift. These are typically $29.99 in store. I mean, aren't these cute? These did not go on 70 or 90% clearance either last year, just to note that. Grabbing one of these for $15 on the nose. Make sure you have your booster loaded. You're going to pay $15 with your debit card. and get back $10 in Walgreens cash, making it $5 for this 3-pack. For a product that's usually $30, you're going to pay $5. I think that's winning. Remember not to use any Walgreens cash or store register rewards to pay down the balance. Okay, the next deal, I know a lot of stores have clearance makeup, so we're going to just walk down that avenue. Remember, you need your booster loaded, $10 of Walgreens cash when you spend $10. We're going to grab 2 clearance L'Oreal mascaras for $7.99. They have a whole slew of them. Clearance is also a your mileage may vary, so hopefully we have the same stuff on clearance in your market and my market. So we also have to load this digital coupon, which is a 7 off of 2. I know some accounts have a 10 off of 2, whatever you might have. Grabbing 2 of these for $15.98, subtracting that digital coupon. We also have our booster loaded to pay $9.98 with your debit card. You're getting back $10 in Walgreens cash, making this free, plus a $1.02 moneymaker. What a nice stocking stuffer for somebody. Remember not to use any Walgreens cash or store register rewards to pay down the balance as you're using that $10 back when you spend 10 booster. Just remember that. This next deal, if you like to gift the Burt's Bees product, this is right up your alley. Again, you need your best friend loaded, which is $10 of Walgreens cash when you spend 10. Hopefully a lot of you got this booster. We're going to grab one of these or 2 of the $4.99. It's like a little ornament with a lotion and a lip balm inside. Plus for $11.99, it's a 4-pack of lip balm, all Christmas themed lip balms. So we're going to grab that. And it's $5 of Walgreens cash when you spend 20 on Burt's Bees. So just to show you my basket, we have the 2 little ornament with the lip balm and lotion, and then that gorgeous little 4-pack of just the lip balms. I love gifting and receiving Burt's Bees. Grabbing the larger pack for $11.99, 2 of the smaller Christmas ones for $4.99 a pop for $9.98. The total is $21.97. Make sure you have your booster loaded. You're going to have to pay that $21.97 with your debit card, and then you're getting back $15 in Walgreens cash. 10 for the booster, 5 for the weekly or the monthly promotion of spend 20, get back 5, making it $6.97 for the 3 or $2.32 per. Remember not to use any Walgreens cash or store register rewards to pay down the balance. Now, I absolutely love this deal, and if I had the booster, this is the deal I would be doing. I'm going to be grabbing 3 of the Pantene products, 3 for $15. I absolutely love these tubes of conditioner. I believe it's magic in a tube, just to give your hair that extra. I don't know. It really is a great product. I do love it. So we also have a 3 off of 3 digital coupon. So please make sure you have that one loaded. Looking at the mathematics, guys, 3 Pantenes for $15 on the nose. Subtracting that 3 off of 3 digital, you have your booster loaded. You're paying $12 with your debit card, getting back $10 in Walgreens cash for the booster, plus a $5 register reward, making this free plus a $3 moneymaker. Remember not to use any Walgreens cash or store register rewards to pay down the balance. As we're using that 10 back when you spend 10 booster, you can't do that or it'll mess everything up. Okay, friends, this is the final deal. There's so much going on this week. So if you have this booster, you're very lucky. $10 of Walgreens cash when you spend 10. Again, valid from the 1st to the 3rd. Let's remember that. This is going to be all dental care products. So we're going to grab 2 of the Oral-B brushes priced at $3 a pop. $3 register reward when you buy 2. Plus we have a 3 off of 2 digital coupon. And here's the digital coupon that you need loaded, guys. The next thing we're going to grab is for $3.99, 1 Colgate brush and 1 Colgate paste. We need to get that one of each. And this is why we have a digital coupon for $2 off of a brush. So definitely stock up on the toothbrushes this week. Plus we have a $2 off of a paste. That's a very generous coupon. So looking at the overall basket, we have 2 of the Oral-B brushes for $6. And then for $7.98, we have 1 Colgate paste and 1 Colgate brush. Looking at the overall basket here, 2 Colgate products for $7.98, 2 Oral-B brushes for $6, for a total of $13.98. You have your 10 back when you spend 10 booster, plus $7 of digital manufacturers. You're going to pay $6.98 with your debit card, get back $10 in Walgreens cash, and then a $4 and then a $3 register reward. It makes it free plus a $10 moneymaker. Let's not forget, do not use any Walgreens cash or store register rewards to pay down the balance, or it will mess everything up. The final thing I want to talk about is last night in the wee hours, they released this on the Bath & Body Works website. They validated Candle Day. So the 2nd and 3rd in store, which will be Friday and Saturday, as predicted. If you want to watch my video where I go through the mathematics and more information about this, Friday it is on. If you love the 3-wick candles over at Bath & Body Works, I'm very excited by this sale. So watch the video linked right here, and we'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.